Hey, Zachary.
Yeah.
What was it that you wanted for Christmas?
R2-D2,
R2-D2 and
Clone
C-3PO. Clone
Luke.
Wars. Luke?
Yeah.
Luke Skywalker?
Big ship. Big ship.
A big spaceship?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, what else?
Bye.
No, not bye. What else? What do you want? What do you want, Cooper?
Spaceship.
You want a spaceship?
Yeah.
R2-D2?
Yeah.
What else?
P-O.
C-3PO.
P-O.
What else?
Luke Skywalker.
Luke Skywalker.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you want any, before you guys were saying you wanted some Legos. Do you still want Legos?
Yeah.
Is there anything else you want for Christmas?
Yeah.
What?
Batman Robin car.
A Batman and Robin car.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Nothing.
Nothing else?
Yeah.
Socks.
Bye. Oh, no.
Do you want any underwear?
Ew.
Ew.
Bye.
Bye.